Hey guys, iMAT here. In today's video, I've got my hands on the DT Ultra 5 Pro. So let's go ahead and unbox it. It's been a while since a lot of you are asking about it. But since DT products are shipped using post service, so that's why it takes a lot of time to deliver. So here is the first look on the box. Instead of DT Ultra 4, we have 5 written here, which is quite obvious. And on the box we get WhatsApp, vector map, AMOLED, 4GB, 2 wireless earphones, local music, sound decoding, and photo album. Let's unbox it. As usual, we have the user manual here. Then we get one ocean straps inside it. We have a 4-pin magnetic charger, the user manual to tell you about how to use the charger, and here is the watch. Let's go ahead and take off the plastic wrap. So here it is. Unlike the DT Ultra 4 Pro or unlike the other Ultra models, this one is a bit golden in color instead of giving a titanium color shade. You get the strap locks and the screws at the back. We have the crown key and the side key, and here we have the action key. The speaker grills are bigger compared to the other Ultra models. As far as I can notice, there is no clear GPS antenna lining. Instead, there is a big curve here, which is making it look like there is a line, but I'm sure there isn't one. Let's go ahead and turn it on using the side key. So here is the hello screen, and here is the first watch face. Here's how it looks like, and we have the crown key here, which is also looking quite smoother. The notification center, there's nothing from left to right and from right to left too. Then here is the menu. We have the vertical cellular menu style, and we also get the list view. So the first impressions are quite similar to the DT Ultra 4 Pro, although I think that the DT Ultra 4 Pro actually looks better than this 5 Pro. Here is the control center. Let's take a quick look at all of the built-in watch faces. We have 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, no, only 5 OS 26 watch faces, and they're looking quite good. We get the dial market here. There are a lot of watch faces here. So this is a quick look on the DT Ultra 5 Pro. Let's attach the straps. So for the next few days, I'll be testing it on my wrist and checking the sleep sensor, the oximeter sensors, the pedometer sensors, and also the battery life to see if it is a better version compared to the DT Ultra 4 Pro or not, because DT Ultra 4 Pro sold a lot of pieces and it was without any doubt the best Ultra watch in just $50 to $60. The full review will be posted on iMAT Gadgets, as you all know. To stay updated on that, make sure you are subscribed. The link is in the description box below, and for the upcoming unboxings, make sure you are subscribed to Unbox with iMAT. I will see you in the next one with a new video and a new unboxing.